Stop by and take a look at 2021 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, privacy glass, engine block heater, rear stabilizer bar. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.